We heard your comments last video. We'll take it into account. There you go, Pat.
I'm not doing it.
Here at West Bay, 6-hole match, 1-0. Out here at West Bay, we're on hole number 4, 6-hole match. We're trying to beat the rain, as you can see. We got Pat behind the camera, he's filming, and we got the Girthy Stallion. He's just here. Come here, Girthy.
We got some unemployed guy.
He is my unemployed friend. He's always down to golf. We needed a fourth. All right, I needed a cart mate. Here he is. He's got the ice cream polo on. I'm sorry for anything he says. Shanky Golf does not support.
Gross at golf.
Par 4, 400 yards. Let's go. Got the shank soft.
But he actually found a fairway.
Ooh, over the bunker. Alright. I hit that ball perfect.
That bounce.
But it went in there. Unfortunately. I got 110 here. I'm gonna get up and down. Not bad.
All right, we got 120 in. Neil's actually went out over there, so just trying to play a safe one.
Yeah.
Why are you talking to my girlfriend, bro?
Yeah. Yeah, you are a smoke show. Yeah, no, we're still. The lightning alarm has not gone off yet, so we're good. Connor, did you hear that?
Yep. Yes, honey, we will be careful.
I gotta make this to tie the hole. It's a little bit long.
All right, 2 putts for the win, but birdie, the other person takes a fireball, so I'm trying to make this.
All right, Connor got a birdie. Niels is forcing me to take this for him. He obviously doesn't want to lose, but
Shot for one, shot for all.
yeah.
Someone needs to pay us more.
You're unemployed.
I'm unemployed.
You don't have a job, bro.
It was also just a giant lightning strike. Yeah, that was water.
They really do go down easy.
I'm not doing it. Not drinking them.
Alright, we're trying to beat the rain. Down by 1, par 4. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, that is gonna help us.
See you later.
Did not see it land.
Pretty close.
Someone check that lady's forehead.
See what happens when you go in front of a birdie. You go in the woods. Par 4, what is it, 440 downwind? Try to keep the birdie train going. You can't birdie them all if you don't birdie the first 2. Sit.
Join your brother.
No, that's fine.
That's fine.
There's the rain though. Fucking A.
Oh, see you later. Thoughts about this rain?
Dude, we live in Florida. Rains every day. It doesn't faze me. There's a hurricane coming. I don't know if this is part of it. I guess we'll find out.
All right, we're going to get struck by lightning, probably on camera, but I got 9-iron, 170 downwind.
Get in the hole!
A little thin, but over the back.
Dropping again. We're in the woods. We got 170 here. Oh, beaut.
Right at it.
It's gonna be pretty good.
Nothing stops the content for the people. Let's go.
Like to chip in for birdie to give Pat another fireball delegated by Niels, but that's just the goal. Pat's got to drive home.
I actually think we're out of fireball.
We got one more. We got one more.
I think we have one more.
One more.
Anyways, up and down secures the win here.
Oh, damn. That would have been sick.
Got some meat.
Bang! Bang! Sure, for sure. We
All
have
right,
to record.
par 5 downwind. Once again, we are in a thunderstorm, but it's not raining.
So he's lining up this ball and he's thinking Niels is really, really good. He pulls the shit out of it. Pulls the absolute.
Time to get one back.
Oh, that's going to catch the wind. That's her. For sure.
Did you go yet, Pat?
No.
Should be good.
Alright boys, I think we hit the jet stream.
That's what it is.
Got about 145 in on a par 5.
What?
I think the hurricane's coming.
Barrel. That's like over the green.
Where'd the ball go?
It's over the green. Hold on. It's over the green with the 52 degree on a par 5.
Connor, hurry up.
Oh my lord! My pants! Somebody check my pants!
Come to the camera, Niels.
All right. Not good.
That's how far yours was.
Oh, no, mine was way closer. It's a slider, dude. If it's good, then just make it.
Whatever, man. It's always good. Won!
Connor won?
Didn't you win?
I'm up 1.
Oh, you gotta go in.
We do? All right, lightning alarm obviously went off, well, pretty early on in that video, but the West Bay guys kicked us off after the 3rd hole of that match, but we'll get a full 6-hole match out to you next week. It'll be at Tiburon Golf Club where they play the 2-man shootout on the PGA.